Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Blackbox AI and Claude. Blackbox AI is a coding assistant designed to help developers write code faster. It integrates with popular code editors like VS Code and JetBrains, providing autocomplete, code suggestions, and snippet generation. It supports multiple programming languages and is useful for speeding up repetitive tasks, debugging, and exploring code solutions. Blackbox is simple to use and focuses on enhancing productivity within your coding environment. Claude is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic that can also help with coding. It's designed to provide more context-aware suggestions, code explanations, and reasoning for programming tasks. Claude can answer questions about code, assist with debugging, and help generate structured solutions. It's useful for developers who want detailed guidance, explanations, and a more conversational AI approach. In short, Blackbox AI is better for fast coding completion, snippet generation, and quick productivity within your editor, while Claude is better for content-aware coding help, explanations, and problem solving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.